Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you your boring videos could instantly become addictive just by fixing your editing? Yeah, not your camera, not your mic, your editing. Let me prove it. Meet a creator. Let's call him Jake. Jake had ideas. Jake had a camera. Jake even hit record. But there was one problem. No one was watching. Not because his content was bad, but because his videos felt flat. Now here's the truth most beginners ignore. Editing isn't just polishing, it's storytelling. And today I'm going to show you how simple editing tricks can turn a boring video into something people actually want to watch. Section 1. Visual hooks. You already know hooks matter. But here's what most people miss. Your first visual matters just as much as your words. Think about this. When someone scrolls YouTube, they often see your video without sound first. So ask yourself, would my video still grab attention on mute? That's what I call a visual hook. It could be a unique angle, movement, lighting, unexpected action. It doesn't need to be crazy. It just needs to make people pause. Section 2. Simple cuts that keep attention. Now let's fix the biggest beginner mistake. Talking, non-stop, no cuts. That's how you lose viewers. Instead, use cut-in and cut back. Cut-in means zoom closer to emphasize a point. Cut back means return to original frame. Why this works? Keeps motion alive, adds rhythm, makes your content feel dynamic. Even simple cuts can make your video feel 10x more professional. Section 3. Add motion. Here's where things get interesting. You don't need expensive gear to make your video feel cinematic. You can add motion in editing. Try this. Slow, zoom in, slight pan, subtle shake effect. These small movements trick the brain into staying engaged, because motion equals attention. Section 4. A-roll versus B-roll. If your entire video is just your face, that's a problem. You need variation. A-roll is your main footage. B-roll is supporting visuals. B-roll breaks monotony, adds clarity, keeps viewers watching longer, but don't overdo it. Only use it when it actually adds value. Now imagine Jake again. Same idea, same camera. But now, strong hook, clean cuts, smooth motion, engaging visuals. Suddenly, people are watching longer, engagement increases, his content actually grows. If you want to level up your content, start with your editing, because that's where boring videos become binge-worthy.